Buga! Yun, lalakas mo.
Trees that were tear down during the typhoon. So 10 men working on just one trunk of tree in the Bible school. Here's the Bible school. That was damaged. So we need to tear that down and clear it up and prevent more damage. Shalom. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Ipitin na lang yan doon. Iangat na. Iangat na lang doon. Iangat na. Ito para. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, hati ng tao dito na ba? Akyat. Tulak-tulak pa. Sige, kaya na yan dyan, tatlo. Tulak namin dito. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Sa, 1, 2, 3.
Agay. So we have lots of trees. We cleared a lot of trees. Thank you for watching. Please include us in your prayers. We're building the first Torah school, and it's very crucial. And it's a matter of faith. We continue building. I don't know how to finish it, but I just believe it would be. Thank you so much. Shalom.